Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so good week to everybody. Good Monday, and yeah, market since yesterday. Yeah, Bitcoin it kind of revived a little bit, and so that's very good. Now you can see that the benefits of it. So Autumn mining is having a nice day. Actually, when was that? Friday. Since Friday, it looks like this was who knows? Maybe this was our lower low. Is it though? So the first thing we need to do, or you need to prove us, hot and mining, if it's able to break this downtrend here. So you can see that we're having a downtrend. Yeah, so first thing first, we need hot and mining to break this yeah, downtrend movement. If price gets rejected, well, probabilities are going to be very high that, let me move that around, we're going to go and perhaps really go and challenge the $43.98 and eventually maybe perhaps even the $39 or even the $36.88. And I believe at that time the MA 55 would be, yeah, between those two levels as well. So for a moment I cannot say that the bottom is behind us, and in fact I don't even have 5 wave up, do I? 15 minute chart. Yeah, well, this is a bit of a stretch, okay? So, but this could have been an A, a B, and a C, and this could be a wave 1. This wave 2. And here we go, A, B, extended C for potential third wave. And actually this could be, yeah, this third wave, and you can see maybe we're going to push even higher and touch at this downtrend line, and yeah, maybe we're going to have a fourth and a fifth, and that would be my first bigger wave 1. After that, this would be, if it does that, this would be my first hint that maybe perhaps this indeed was the low. After that, what do we need? We need an A, B, C correction. And once again, we're going to do a fib retracement, let's say from the top to the bottom. And put the setting for wave 2. Just hold on a second, this is not right. Honestly, the new update on TradingView, I really don't like them. Okay, so from the beginning to the end, yeah, let's say this is all theoretical. So then we would need an ABC, and for example, now I'm just making a scenario, right? So we want the price reversing in this area ideally. Now let me remove all that because this is all fiction for the moment, but this is what I'm looking forward if yeah, Bitcoin is really going higher and dragging everybody with him. Now, if I go on the daily one, I just want to check the RSI. What's the status? Well, no, it's not even oversold. And this is not a perfect science. Is it every time that it's oversold, it's time to buy? You can see here, it was not really time to buy. And, and this is why we need to combine price action and Fibonacci and Elliott wave. Then it really make a difference, right? So let's say, for example, here we had an ABC, we had a pullback, and we had an A, a B, and a C. This was the fib retracement, and you can see that yeah, here was a good time because all the other factors it had as well a green light. In this scenario here, I'm not really sure. Not yet anyway, and we're not even oversold. So does it mean that the price can go lower? Oh yeah, it can. And then yeah, so it can go up to $31.18, and that would be okay, super fine, because this is a fourth wave, and then he has a lot of room to go down. So this is the risk of not having a complete actually, let me go and check here. I want to see the wave 2. So the wave 2, it was really deep, right? Actually, I would like to put it back. What was the... So A1, 2, just checking here. So not making any mistakes. So wave 2. Remove that one. So we have the kind of a deep wave 2. So a lot of time, if we have a deep, steep wave 2, we're going to have a shallower wave 4. That would indicate maybe that, you know, we wouldn't go lower than the 0.382. But let's see. Those are all, you know, probabilities. But, you know, there is always exception, and market is always there to surprise you. So at the end of the day, do we have any hint that this correction is finished? No. In fact, a lot of time when the price doesn't hold the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C, it tends to go to the 1.618. So I'm going to keep an open window for this level here between 39.03 and no matter what level is going to be, let's say 35.60 or 65 by the time we go there. Anyway, so 39.03, 36.88, this is very probable if the price get rejected here shortly into this downtrend red line. I would expect, yeah, a new lower low, local lower low. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!